All right, let me get myself straight, nigga. All right, it's Jizo, man. Strange Genius. You already. All right, so I'm gonna tell you if you're broke, how to make some money. If you got $40, $50, let's say you got $50 to your name, I'll take 10. I'll go to the store. I'll buy me a fire stick. That's the first thing I'll do. I'll buy me a fire stick. Then I'll sell that fire stick. Now I got $80, and I'll take that. I'll take that $80. I'll buy two fire sticks. Then I sell those two fire sticks for 160. You can sell it for more. You can charge $100 for these things. You can charge all the way up to $120 for one. So you take 40 and you make, but I'm just making it simple for you. So then I sell two fire sticks, which gives me what? 160, right? I take that 160, I take 40 out. I'll take 40 out, put it to the side, go to the store, or you can take the whole thing and buy you more fire sticks. Let's do that. Let's take the 160. Let's buy more fire sticks. So now you got 160, right? You got 160. So for the fire sticks are $40, 40, 80, 120, 160. You got four fire sticks. Now you take those four fire sticks and you sell them. Listen to me. You sell them. Each at 80. You got 80. You got 160. You got 240. You got 240. Are you listening? You got 240 once you sell three of those. Then you got one left over. So you take that one, sell that two, right? If you selling that two, now you got 320. You take your 320. Let's say you take your 320, you take $100 out, you buy you some more fire sticks. Once you buy you some more fire sticks, you sell those, you take a little portion out, you keep building. Once you get enough money to start a different business, because this is a slow going, we ain't gonna do it forever. Whatever you need, if you make until you get to $500, you take that $500, you buy something that's gonna make you over $1,000. Over $1,000. I would take that 500. I'll buy some shirts. I'll make my own shirts. You know, I don't know. I'll do something. I'll buy it and I go out there and I sell them. I just sell them right off the bat. I probably buy something used and sell it for more. I might take that 500. Buy two MacBooks, used MacBooks, and sell them for 500 a piece, or 600 a piece. You see where I'm going with it? You gotta think of what you can do to make you some money. So you took one thing, used it, and this shouldn't take long. So you took one thing, used it to make you some money, to get to another level to do what you wanted to do. You could build that up to $1,000. You take that $1,000 and you can flip that $1,000. It's all up to you on how you want to move this thing. I know it sounds crazy. Oh, I'm gonna sell one fire stick. It's gonna take so long to get some money. No, it won't, because you set the price. Let's say you take that $40, buy a fire stick, sell it for $100. Now you got $100. You see what I'm saying? So you made $60 profit, and you can do that every time. You could take, and then once you make that $100, you can buy two fire sticks, sell two fires. You can buy, what I say? Yeah, you can buy two fire sticks, and you sell those two for $100. Now you got $200. Then you take that $200, you buy three fire sticks. Now you get what I'm saying, man. You get what I'm saying? You can go out there and hustle. You don't really have to go sell drugs. You can go get anything. You can go buy two pair of shoes that just came out for $200. Once you make your $500, you can buy a pair of shoes, take those shoes, flip them. So you paid two something. You can take those shoes and sell them for $800. Some shoes, you can get the Yeezys or wherever. You can make a big profit off it. So this is what I want y'all to do, man. If you're broke, look around your house, see what you can sell. Look around your house. If you don't have a house, go outside. Do a dance for people and hold your cup out. Like, it's so simple. Like, this is money all around us, and we just got to reach out and get it. If you got a microphone, if you got a studio, you can charge people to come to your house and record. If you have a camera, I don't have my camera up here, you can charge to take photos. Tell me about it. You can charge to take photos. If you make beats, you can charge people cheap prices for beats because there's a lot of local artists in your area. Like, if you know how to fix cars, you tell people you know how to fix cars. These are all things that you use your skills, people. You use your skills to get money. I just gave you that Fire Stick example to show you, like, it doesn't matter what you think of. You can get some money somehow, some way. Might be not enough that you want, the amount that you want. I said not enough that you want. It might not be the amount you want today, but you're working your way into that. You feel me? So get up, go do it, go out and grind.